it's Christina. In this video, I'll be sharing 10 healthy foods that help with weight loss. Let's get started. Tomatoes. Tomatoes come packed with vitamin C and lycopene, which stimulates the production of carnitine, an amino acid that speeds the body's fat-burning process. Carotenoids serve as an antioxidant which helps with weight loss and improves cardiovascular health. Apples. Apples contain high levels of fiber that increase the metabolic rate and enable one to stay full for a longer time. Pectin in fiber prevents the body from absorbing too much fat. Pectin also releases a strong appetite suppressant that keeps you satisfied for a longer time. According to a study conducted in Brazil, people who ate an apple before every meal lost 33% more weight than those who didn't. An apple contains roughly around 100 calories per serving. Plus, there's so many varieties to choose from. Cucumber. Cucumber is one of the best low-calorie foods for weight loss. It's extremely low in calories and contains high amounts of water. Apart from weight loss benefits, cucumbers are amazing for the skin as well. Cucumbers are also a great source of silica, a mineral required for strengthening the connective tissues. Pomegranate. Pomegranate contains so many antioxidants, which enable the body to get rid of unwanted toxins. It contains polyphenols, an antioxidant that boosts the body metabolism. It also stops the arterial lipid buildup and lowers your appetite. Oranges. Eating freshly picked oranges cuts the considerable amount of calories from your diet. It keeps the body well hydrated and provides you with an ample amount of fiber. Each section of the fruit provides 85 calories and 5 grams of dietary fiber. Orange is a nutrient-dense food and contains high amounts of vitamin C, thiamine, and folate, which are known for boosting your metabolism. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is loaded with soluble fiber that decreases the appetite but keep you full for a longer time. It also keeps your energy levels high. Oats are also rich in protein, which increases strength and lowers body fat. The high levels of protein and fiber stabilize blood sugar levels and lowers cholesterol. Broccoli. Broccoli contains no fat at all and contains plenty of slow-releasing carbs that require a long time to digest. It contains thiamine, riboflavin, calcium, iron, and magnesium that keep you healthy and nourished. It also keeps your energy levels high throughout the day. Bananas. Bananas are filled with soluble fiber that curbs the desire to eat comfort foods. The resistant starch in bananas prevents the absorption of carbohydrates in the body. This makes the body burn fat instead of carbohydrates. Potassium in bananas helps to build muscles, which in turn burns fat. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is one of the healthiest foods for weight loss. A study conducted at Johns Hopkins University found that those who ate grapefruit daily lost 20 pounds in 13 weeks without any change in their diet. Its high water content helps to increase the feeling of fullness while providing very low calories. In addition, it takes more energy to digest grapefruit, burning more calories. Grapefruit contains naringenin, an antioxidant that stabilizes the insulin level, preventing weight gain. Nuts. Eating nuts provides the body with fiber to ward off hunger and prevent overeating. Brazilian nuts, for example, are rich in selenium, a nutrient needed by the body to produce thyroid hormones. Thyroid hormones are very essential for keeping the metabolism levels high. Almonds, for example, contain omega-3 fatty acids, which produce testosterone, a hormone that helps to burn fat at a faster pace. It's important to note that you need to eat nuts in moderation because of their high fat content. Try to avoid the salted varieties because of the high sodium content. Please thumbs up if you liked this video or found this video helpful, and subscribe for future videos. Have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching.